Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So alright, last video we were dealing with, or a couple videos ago, we learned about the double underscore Repr method. So if you have not watched double underscore, make sure you are going to do that. That is episode 190. Double underscore. And if you've not watched the class videos, that's all this. That's 207 through 209. And that's just class. So, all right. I told you, well, if you've seen this, you'll get what this built-in Repr function is. But I also told you there's some criterion here. If at all possible, you need to be able to, so we have, here, let's just run this. So, all right. Oh, and then, eval. So our eval function, evaluate, I don't have that right now. I'll put it in the comment section. It's down below. All right. So the evaluate, that's prerequisite, eval. So all right, if at all possible, this needs to enable to be able to recreate the object. So all right, let's do that. So we got X, rectangle, 4x4, close this out. So all right, then we run Repr on X. So actually, my bad, Repr on X. So now we have this. So now let's do new, and let's do eval on Y. There we go. That is why it looks like this. And we are going to learn of another method that makes this readable. There's a little tease. Right now, this is just a representation to make then, if we can, to evaluate and recreate an object. So now, those are all three of the criterion, and this is the last one that you can do with it. If you can run evaluate on it and create a new object that still works, so new dot area, lo and behold, boom. Oh, I had some print in here. That's why it came out twice. But there we go. It works. And new dot length. Boom. So that's it. That is our built-in Repr function. And this is an extension of last video on class, the double, actually a few videos ago, about the double underscore Repr method. So as always, thanks for watching. Really, really awesome. I cannot believe the interest. So again, thank you so much for the double underscore Repr method request. That it has been hugely successful, and like I've said, other people probably have the same question. And that was the most viewed in a day of any videos that I've had so far. So I really appreciate it, and you're helping out the community. So thank you again. Thanks for helping them. Thanks for watching. I'm overwhelmed by the feedback, the support. It's really awesome. And I'm so glad that I'm able to help I really am, because I remember how challenging it was for me to learn. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Keep those comments coming. I love it. Keep the video requests coming. And stay tuned. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.